How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to today's video, and happy new year to you all. I hope you had a wonderful time and didn't get too drunk. So on to the video. This is probably not something that bothers many people, but it really does bother me, obviously sitting in the driver's seat and having to look at that mess. Well, it's a mess to me anyway, so I'll bring the camera in and show you exactly what it is that I don't like. I'll try and capture it anyway. I'm not sure about the light. We'll try. So this is like the best angle I can get without obviously the light getting in the way. But can you see how it looks like it's got water spots all over here and all over here? And there's actually this sort of bit here is actually like really light scratching. And you can see it comes all the way up here. It's not so much on the fuel gauge, but it's just a mess, and I've tried polishing it and it just doesn't work. It doesn't even cover it up. No matter what I've tried to do to it, it won't work. So a friend of mine, James, thank you very much, has given me some of this. It's basically acrylic scratch remover for professional results. First time that's going to be on the channel, anything professional. But down the side, it shows you sort of what you can use it on, you know, headlights, tail lights, stuff on your center console and stuff. But I'm going to focus on these. So in this kit, now this is the first time I'm actually opening this. There's no blue Peter stuff going on here. You know, I haven't done this before already. A little bit of sandpaper. I haven't read the instructions yet either to find out if that's a wet and dry or not. We've got obviously the polish itself, I imagine. Yep. What's this, James? I'm hoping this came with it and isn't just some rag you've left in there, mate. And then at the bottom we've got a microfiber cloth. Cloth? That was a mixture of cloth and towel. So we've got a microfiber towel. So that is basically what we've got, guys. And this just says clean the surface, apply little place using a soft cotton cloth, polish the scratches to the image. Basically, yeah, you can use that sandpaper, a bit of wet. There's a little before and after that it says, and if the camera will pick that up, but there's a little before and after of what it's meant to look like. So what I'm going to do first, when you're polishing and stuff, you're supposed to use the least aggressive method first. So that's what we're going to do. Clean the surface, I've already done that. In fact, I'm going to do it again. I'm actually going to get some IPA that we used obviously when we were wrapping stuff, just to clean off any bits of dust or anything like that. And I'm just going to give this a go. It says for deep scratches, repeat application several times. I'm not sure how many times we're going to have to do this, but we'll try. So let's crack on. I'll try and set the camera up on this window so you can see what I'm doing. Hopefully you can, and we'll go from there. I hope you can see that all right. Unfortunately, it's the best I can do. So let's get a little bit of that. A little bit on the cloth. I'm just going to start off with a little bit and just sort of like try and work it in over a little area. I'll try and do like half of this cluster and then sort of try and pull the camera in to show you a little bit. It says to do this for like 2 to 3 minutes, but it'll be a long time that. You can see it dispersing anyway, so it's working in. So it's obviously only been a couple of minutes. Let's just change the cloth around. Give that a quick dust off. You know what? That actually, I don't know if you'll be able to see it. No, you probably can't. That has actually made the world of difference to that. Well, you've just seen me polish that. Obviously this area here. Now you can see where I didn't do. I'm trying to be careful because it's bloody light, but you can kind of, you can't see it that way, can you? You can see it for definite. You know, obviously that's where I've just polished around the 7 and 8 grand mark, and over there I haven't. So I'm gonna give that another whirl, and then I'll do this the rest of this one off camera, and then obviously you'll be able to see the difference between that side and this side. It looks brilliant. That is so impressive. Really happy with that. And obviously that one you can see it's still dull, and you can see all like the watermarks and stuff. Same here. That side, yes, you can see a couple of very faint scratches there and there. Not too fussed about those because you won't really see them too much. It was just all this crap. That's what I wanted to get rid of, and that's gone now. So really happy with that. Let's finish those off, and I'll show you the results as we go. That side now looks, you can actually see it's black, whereas on this side it looks more grey. And I've obviously got the light in it there because it's really amplifying just how good it is, because that side did look like this, and obviously now, as you can see, it looks loads better. I'm so happy with that. It looks awesome. I've just gone and grabbed some cotton buds. I'm going to try and get down into these bits because I've managed to do this piece, but obviously into the corners and that it's a little bit difficult trying to get the cloth in there. So I'm going to get the cotton bud on it and see if we can get that up any better. So I just thought I'd pour you in again just so you can see. I've actually managed to get down into there quite well, to be fair, and same for up that side. So yeah, I'm just going to carry on now and do down this side, and then obviously get up there as well, and hopefully then by the end of this video it'll be nice. You can't really see it up there too much, but you kind of can. There you go. Oh, actually, yeah, we can. You see I've done this side and not done this side yet. I will give this bit a little bit of a go, just because it is a bit murky and I don't want it to be, I want it all to match really, don't I? So I will finish that off and then show you the end results, guys. And there we have it, all done. I think that looks an absolute bomb ton better, and I'll put a couple of before and after pictures on the screen for you in a minute, so you can see what it was like actually before compared to now. So don't get me wrong, guys, it's not, you know, 100% perfect. Like I say, I've still got that, where's it gone? There's a scratch there. Oh, there you go, you can see it now. I've got my arm out of the way. A little scratch there. There was a couple obviously up here. I went over this middle bit probably 3 times, but it looks a million times better in my opinion. And that side, just so much better, and so happy with that. Guys, I was just about to end the video there, and I thought, what am I doing? Try it on the headlights. The headlights, as most Astra owners will know, gets like that haziness. I say Astra owners, a lot of car owners will probably feel this pain, but on the top here, just across here, mine's gone all sort of like green and stuff. So gonna try this, whether it'll work, hopefully. If not, we've got a little bit of sandpaper, and we'll give it a bit of a scuff up and then polish it back up. So I'm going to set the tripod up, and you can come along to the journey and see if we can make these sparkle. So you can kind of see it there, you know, it's all around here, and it doesn't look particularly great. The front's not too bad. It hasn't got this stuff on it anyway, so we'll I think the other side's like it as well, you know, but it's just not as much. There's like a little bit there, little bit across the top, but you know, overall they're not too bad, to be fair. But yeah, it's just that top piece that we're gonna try and sort. So obviously that's where I've just done. if you move down a bit, you can see it's almost green, isn't it, on camera? So you can see what I've done, but if you get in close, you still see it. So I want to give that a little sand and just see if we can get rid of it. So I've obviously sanded all this dull bit here. I've kind of tried to feather it in. You can just see the line there. It's not as bad there. This was obviously the main bulk of it. So get the polish on this now, and then hopefully it will come up quite nicely. It does look 10 times better than it did. There's no more of that sort of star bit, like the green. There you can see it on this side. All the green sort of haziness that was all over it. So that's now gone. It does look a hell of a lot better. So yeah, pleased with that. So there we have it, guys. That is how it looks now. For me, that's just going to make the driving experience that little bit better than what it already is. So thank you for watching. I do hope this was helpful. And one thing I forgot to mention was the start of December, I said I was going to do a giveaway. For anybody that entered, for the few people that did enter, obviously I can only apologise. It didn't take off as well as I thought it would, and we didn't hit the number that we really wanted to. So unfortunately, that just died a death. But that's one of those things, I suppose. That if you I think it was around sort of 8 people that might have entered. So if you did, I do appreciate it. Thank you. And obviously, if you do want a t-shirt or stickers and that, hit me up on Instagram. I'll leave my handle below. And that is it from me this week, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Drop me a thumbs up if this was helpful, enjoyable, you enjoyed it or whatever. Happy New Year, and I will see you next time.